Hello dear students, today we are going to solve exercises which are based on the information which are given in the previous video, that how to take out the root of the given number. So exercise 3C we are going to solve today, and this we will see how to take out the root through long division method. So question number 1, A part you can see. It is 484. 484. So you have to, first of all, you have to arrange in a pairs from right to left. So right we have 84 and left we have 4. So for any number you have to think whose root can divide, square can divide it completely. So one number we have, that is 2. 2 to the 4. So it is cancelled. Now 84 you have to write down. Now double of this number is 4. You have to take, and 4 to the 8, so we'll take 2 outside also, it will be 84. 42 to the 84 is cancelled. Okay, so root 484 is equal to 22. We got through the long division method. Its G part you can see, G 7, 5, 6, 9. 7, 5, 6 and 9. This question you can see 75. When we pair, we will get 75. So any number you have to think which is close to 75. Square. So 8 and 9 we have. 8 k square 64, 9 square 81. So it is more than 75. It is just little less than 75. So we are going to take 8. 8 8s are 64. We have 11, 6, 9. Okay. 1169. So 8 to the 16 we have to take. Now count the table of 16 so that you reach close to 116. 16 6 are 96. 16 7 are 112. The 7 times we have to take. Okay, 7. 112 is close to 116. The 7 7 are 9. 7 6 are 42, and 4 46. 6. 7 just 7 and 4, 11. So it is cancelled completely. Okay. So root 7, 5, 6, 9 is equal to 167. So this way you have to calculate the given numbers. Now let us see another question. Hope you understood this one. Very easy. You have to follow few steps, rules which are already discussed. So if you will follow, there will be no chances of mistake. Question number 2, A part. Okay. 7 whole 522 upon 529. So as I told you earlier, if you have a mixed number, okay, so you have to convert in improper fraction first. So what is the way of conversion? 7 into 529 plus 522, okay, plus 522 upon 529. Now this you have to calculate. 7 9 is 63, 3, 7 2 is 14 and 6 20 0, 7 5 is 35 and 2 37 plus 522 upon 529. Okay. Now add it. 3 plus 2 5, 0 2, 7 plus 5 12, 2 and 3 1 4 upon 529. Now you have to take the root of 4225 upon 529. So 2 times we have to find it. First we will go for the numerator, and next we will solve that denominator. So let us see what we are getting. 4225. Okay. So pair it. 42. So we know that 6 will work here. 6 6 are 36. Okay. We'll get 6 and 2 and 5. Now 6 to the 12 we have to take. 12 5 the 60, it is just close. So 5 times we are going to take it. 5 times here also. It will be 625 and cancel. Okay. Now next one is 520, we got 65. Now 529, pair it, 2 to the 4, 1, 2, 9, 4, 4 3 the 12, so 3 times we are going to take. It will be 129 and cancel. Okay. So numerator we got 65, denominator we got 23. So it will be 65 upon 23. If you want to convert in mixed number, you can convert further. 23 to the 46, 19 upon 23. This is your answer. Okay. So this way only we have to solve all other questions. Last question of this exercise is you have to convert in decimal. Okay. You have to convert in decimal. It is given. You have to find the okay. Third A, 3.24. 3.24. So take out the root of it. So when we pair, we'll get 3. So only 1 by 1 we will divide. 1 1 ja 1. So it is 2. And after 3 we have decimal. So here you can put. And rest of the numbers you can write as it is. Okay. 1 to the 2 by 2. You have to divide. So you have to think which number you can divide it. 2. So around 8 it is. 8 times it will be. So we will get 8 is the 64. 4. 8 to the 16 and 6 22. So our answer is root 3.24 is equal to 1.8. Its G part you can see G 0.562. Okay, it is beginning itself, it is a decimal, so put a decimal here, beginning itself, and pair it as you are doing the same way. You have to follow the steps as I told you. So 56, 7 7 ja 49 we have. So what will get 7 25. Okay. Now 7 to the 14. 5 times 70 close to 72. Okay. 5 times 5 5 ja 25. 5 5 4 ja 22 plus 2 22. 5 1 ja 5 2 7. Okay. It is cancelled. So root 0.5625 will be equal to 0.75, and this is our answer. So rest of the question you can solve by yourself. Hope you understood everything. It is very easy. Just practice few more questions from your side, and you will get the perfection. Okay. So other questions you can solve in your classwork and homework copies. Thank you.